News just coming in. The centre has objected to Twitter flagging Sambit Patra's tweet as manipulative media. Sources in the government tell India Today the government has directed Twitter to remove manipulative media tag. The matter is pending investigation before law enforcement agencies in the country, is what the government has told Twitter. The government has also told Twitter not to interfere in India's investigation process. I will get you more on that story. I'm Gaurav Sawant, but let's just get started with the headlines at 6. India Today accesses an exclusive report which reveals that farms turned villages in Haryana and Punjab into coronavirus hotspots. Rakesh Tiket remains defiant, says protests will not end. Black fungus declared an epidemic in 5 states. Delhi reports 197 cases. Prime Minister Narendra Modi cautions against the rising cases, says it is a new challenge for the nation to face.
ब्लैक फंगस की एक और नई चुनौती भी सामने आई है। इससे निपटने के लिए जरूरी सावधानी और व्यवस्था पर ध्यान देना जरूरी है।
Delhi government claims big jab shortage, no vaccination for 18 plus from today. More than 150 vaccination centers to remain shut. Aam Aadmi Party government appeals to the centre for fresh stocks. The captain of the barge P305 that sank in Arabian Sea booked for deaths due to negligence. Petroleum Ministry sources point to several lapses that may have claimed 51 lives. An Indian Air Force fighter pilot, squad leader Abhinav Chaudhary, killed in a MiG-21 crash in Moga, Punjab. Court of inquiry ordered. Israel and Hamas agreed to a ceasefire, halting an 11-day war that caused widespread destruction along the Gaza Strip and left more than 240 people dead. And news just coming in. Government sources have told India Today that they have objected to Twitter using manipulated media tag for tweets on Sambit Patra's toolkit. Insiders in the government tell India Today that Twitter has been directed to remove the manipulated media tag as the matter is pending investigation before law enforcement agencies. Investigations in India will determine the veracity of the content and not Twitter. The government has also asked Twitter not to interfere in the investigation process in the country. India Today's Himanshu Mishra now joins me for more on this big story. Himanshu, what more can you add? What is government telling Twitter and what action is the government taking?
देखिए, बिल्कुल सरकार की तरफ से ये साफ कर दिया गया है कि ये इंटरनल मैटर है भारत का। इसके ऊपर जो है किसी भी तरीके से जो है वो ट्विटर जो है बैन नहीं कर सकता और इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रही है, इसको चलने देना चाहिए।
हिमांशु, अब एक बार फिर आपसे संपर्क साधने का प्रयास करेंगे। जी
ट्विटर पे जो
जी बोलिए हिमांशु।
देखिए गौरव, व्हाट्सएप को लेकर जो जिस तरीके का रुख पहले ही सरकार ने अपना साफ कर दिया था जो है पॉलिसीज को लेकर, वो और उसके बाद आज ट्विटर को, क्योंकि ट्विटर को लेकर जिस तरीके से ट्विटर ने संबित पात्रा को लेकर कमेंट किया और उसको लेकर कांग्रेस ने सरकार के ऊपर और बीजेपी के ऊपर अटैक करना शुरू कर दिया था, उसके बाद सरकार की तरफ से ये ट्विटर को साफ कर दिया गया। ये इंटरनल चीज़ें हैं, इसकी इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रही है और इन्वेस्टिगेशन जब चल रही है तो कोई भी किसी भी तरीके का इंटरफेरेंस जो है वो बर्दाश्त नहीं किया जाएगा और ये बात सरकार की तरफ से ट्विटर को जो है वो क्लियर कर दी गई है।
हिमांशु, इस जानकारी के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। Government's made it very clear to Twitter this is an internal matter. It's being investigated within the country and Twitter should not interfere. But after Twitter tagged Sambit Patra's tweets as manipulated media, it led to a huge furor. The Congress party came out all guns blazing, attacking the government, saying it's not just Sambit Patra, that union ministers who shared these tweets and amplified them, action